Hey y'all. New hair, who dis? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So clearly, I mean, you can already see from the title and my hair that I'm gonna be showing you how I blow out my hair for the first time in over 5 years easily. I don't even know how long it's been, but it's been a long time. As you know, I don't typically apply heat or straighten my hair, but I am about to get my hair braided, and so I just needed to blow dry it straight real quick. For that, I am not used to seeing myself like this. As you can see, it is not like perfectly straight. My hair is refusing, and that frizz, honey, it's ready to come out. But that's fine. It's just for the braid, so it doesn't need to be perfect. But if you want to see how I achieved this hair, then keep on watching. I am about to blow dry my hair straight. I have not done this in a long time, so before anything, bear with me. I'm gonna be using this little hair dryer. It's not even open, and I've had it for like 2 months maybe. The product that I'm gonna be using alongside the hairbrush air drying tool is this little blowout cream, Blowout Skinny Queen by Matrix, and it's a smoothing blowout cream. So this is it. So there's a high setting, a low, and a cool, and off, of course. All right, so I guess you just kind of twist it to get it where you want it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So right now I have my little t-shirt towel on my head, and I have a whole bunch of Bantu knots that I slept in that I do not recommend because I really didn't get much sleep. I just kind of put them in while I was in the shower, these knots, just to kind of separate my hair, so it would be ready for today. This was last night. I washed my hair last night. So I did like 3 sections in the back, or 3 on each side, so 6 in the back, and then just these 2 in the front. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna start here. Okay, so I'm done with the first section, and it's already pretty dry, and that took like 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue throughout the rest of my hair. Wow, that was actually kind of quick just to do this half of the back. I'm not like super concerned about getting it like bone straight because it's going to be braided and it's more for manageability. I'm impressed, actually. It's really fast, faster than I expected, and it doesn't like get caught in my curls or anything like that. Like, I'm not noticing that my hair is snagging in that brush. So far, so good. By the way, this is also a heat protectant. Yo, my hair, it cannot be straight. I'm done. That took about 45 minutes. That's it. I'm done. Here's my blowout. I feel like a lion right now. If you enjoyed watching me blow out my hair for the first time in years, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. Was this a mistake? How do you think it turned out? Tell me your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.